cooked. That's 5 minutes. I love the smell. So let's see the outcome. I'm going to show you how I clean my air fryer. We have some ground nuts. I want to try and make them in my Kenwood air fryer. So what I'll do first, I will soak them for a few minutes. Next, we are going to add some salt. I have already drained the water, so I want to add some salt so that they can have some flavor. I've decided to put foil here to protect the air fryer before I put the grill. If you watched my last video when I was making chicken wings, I put the parchment paper here and I didn't like the outcome. So I'm trying the opposite just to see if I will get different results. So I'm going to go ahead and add the nuts and spread them evenly so that they cook once. Okay, and then I'm going to put, oopsie. Okay, it's now intact. So we put them inside the air fryer. We're going to cook for 5 minutes. Let's see, when I look here, the settings for, I will do 5 minutes to start with. And then it will be under roast, so I can do 200 and we cook. Yeah, so let's see how they will look like after 5 minutes. So it's cooked. That's 5 minutes. I love the smell. So let's see the outcome. Clearly 5 minutes is a long time because they are almost overcooked. Let me just check them. You can see they are easily peeling off, but they need like 2 minutes to completely dry the water. Yeah, they are almost there. So I'll add 2 more minutes, I think, so that they don't overcook. And I'll also reduce the heat. To 150 for 2 minutes. Let's check. After 7 minutes, they are now completely ready. You can see. Yeah, so they are now ready. I'm going to show you how I clean my air fryer, and it's a very simple process. I use salt. I've discovered salt is a very good cleaning product. Bicarbonate of soda. I don't know why it's not very clear. Yes. Then my Morning Fresh dishwashing liquid. Then I add vinegar. And then we add water and leave it for some time. Then we check and see whether the lower part has enough detergent. Yeah, so this is how it looks. We are going to leave it for a few minutes, then we will come back to it.
Don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God.